Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to sort numbers in Excel from largest to smallest, perfect for sorting revenue, sales, or any numeric data. First, select your data. For example, if you have products and units sold in columns A and B, select the range including the headers. Next, go to the Data tab and click Sort. You can also press Alt plus D plus S to open the Sort dialog quickly. Make sure My Data Has Headers is checked. This ensures Excel treats the top row as column headers, not data. In the Sort By dropdown, select the column you want to sort by, for example, units sold or revenue. Then, in the Orders section, choose largest to smallest. By default, Excel sorts from smallest to largest, so make sure to change it. Finally, click OK, and your data will now be sorted with the largest values at the top. And that's it. Sorting revenue or numbers from largest to smallest is that easy. If this helped you, like this video and subscribe for more Excel tips.